Babe.
Monday.
Come.
Yes, I wanna come. Oh, I mean, to come here? What happened?
I have something to get you.
Ah, chinga. I love you, Daddy. Ooh. Hey. Should I open it now?
Yeah.
Alright. Hi, Daddy. Mommy told me that you are awesome and that you are going to be an amazing father. What do you mean? No! Oh shit! You got two? Oh shit. Does it mean you're pregnant? Oh shit! There that? Oh shit! There that?
Why are you crying?
Oh, I don't know. Oh shit!
I found out last night.
¿De verdad?
I casa vaca.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, my nipple hurts so bad.
Yeah, that's why it's growing milk.
You're gonna be a dad.
Yeah.
That's why we're gonna go get blood work, just to be like 100% before I tell my PI.
Man, look, me dan lágrimas.
Are you ready to be a daddy?
How's it? Damn, that's a good one.
Did you read the PS note?
Yeah, please don't try.
Because since you told me
phone.
earlier that
Yeah.
this was in a fruit, I was like, this dude.
Oh shit, that was a good one, huh?
He's hungry. Or
I
she.
know.
Yeah, that you were pregnant.
Oh shit. It got me excited, but look, you know.
I wasn't gonna tell you because Giselle was gonna go with me to the doctor today.
See?
Because I wanted to surprise you like a better way, you know? But I was like, no quiero ir sola, sacarme sangre because I'm not gonna be able to drive and my mom's not gonna take me and I don't want to my ass.
Yeah.
I was like, I need to tell him.
Y yo acá mandándote la es que fueras a la otra, ¿no?
That's why yesterday too I didn't want to pick up the trash because I was like, no, it's kind of heavy, like, and I was already drinking Red Bull and because I haven't been taking care of me, you know?
Pure juguitos, that's it. No more.
And then yesterday in the morning when I woke up, me estaba lavando los dientes, me dieron unas ganas de vomitar, and I was like, it's the toothpaste. Like, le eché la culpa a la toothpaste because yo no sabía nada todavía, you know? It was just weird. You know how I've been feeling like really, really tired? I think I'm like a month or something. Cause babe, I bought the jeans, right? And tell me why they don't fit me anymore. Good thing que no le quité la tag. I was like, Laura, I think I need to go return them cause
No me quedaron.
I was like, ya no me quedaron. And my stomach is hard from the bottom. I don't know. I think I'm thinking of it too much, but.
So even if it's not marked, right, you said? Like it's
It is marked. It's just light pink.
Oh, okay.
But that's because no tengo tanto. That's like a month to like something. That's like 4 weeks pregnant.
That's crazy. That's good.
Any words for your little one before we go?
Any words?
Before we go $5 for real, for real.
Bueno, ahí nos va a caer el chingazo ahí.
No sé.
No. Ahí nos va a caer el chingazo. You know?
Mhm.
Ahí se agarra.
Para la mejor tía del mundo.
¿Por qué lo tienes que ir a voz alta, tía?
Pues si
Eso
nomás
es
está,
secreto.
nomás está el pollo.
Right?
Que aquí están los resultados de tu examen del embarazo.
Después de ese ¿qué?
Ya sabía.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
Mucho gusto. ¿Y luego la activo yo?
Nada, que se lo lleve la hormiga. La otra suegra. Ah, ¿quién te mandó esto? Pero ¿quién te lo dio? ¿Tuya? ¿Tuya? ¡Ay, cabrón! Hasta que vas a tener chamaquito. Abuelita, mira, dice. ¡Sí! ¡Sí!
Nando.
No lo podía abrir. Uy, uy, uy. Sí, sí. Oh my goodness.
¿Qué?
Uy.
¿Ya la vio, mamá?
¿Eh?
¿No sé, mamá?
Ay, más ya
pollo?
te va a estar
Sí.
embarazada.
¿Por pedo?
Adiós.
Sí.
Ahora sí, ya después que te pasa, mamá.
No sé.
Thank you. Uy, también.
Ahora sí ya.
Thank you, thank you.
That's for you. That's for you guys. And that's for you.
¿Y la Mayra también? Ah,
Sí.
a la Mayra sí le dieron.
¿Hombre, Mayra?
Yeah. That's
Yeah.
for both of you. Sí.
Pero al mismo tiempo ábrelas,
Yeah,
ábrelas,
all
ábrelas.
together. ¡Abre la quito!
¿Oíste también?
Sí. Uy, ya, si te van a agarrar.
¿Qué es esto?
¿Qué es?
Thank you.
Ay, yo
Can
también.
you read it?
Yeah, read it.
Oh.
Wait, are you...
Want to read yours?
La cara.
¿Estás embarazada tú, qué, güey? No, güey. What?
Hasta el tigre está asombrado.
Mayra, ¿apenas va a tener un bebé, dice?
¿Qué dice,
Sí,
Mayra?
¿qué dice, Mayra? ¿Ya?
Hi, Mama.
Oh my God.
My mommy talked to let her know.
Congrats, dude. Felicidades, dude. Finally. Oh, shit. Yeah, yeah. Congrats.
Ay, Tani.
Yeah, cool baby.
Me dice el pollo, pero la madre no sabe leer.
¿Sí sabe leer?
Sí, sí.
¿Qué dice, Mayra? ¿Qué dice?
Es que me da vergüenza.
No, mira, de repente que a ver, dígame, a ver, como pueda, como pueda.
No quiero decirlo.
¿Qué significa nomás? Lo que
No
leí.
tengo